This is a 36-inch NuTone Verandah Deluxe, white and brass finish, that I got at my new local habitat the other day. For $10 also, like the SMC spinner that I got today. And I guess because they're both 36-inch fans, they're $10, I don't know. But this is a really good fan, you know, stack motor. There's a bird up on the roof. Regardless, the fan, you know, stack motor. It's got 2 speeds, as far as I can tell, by the pull chain. I thought this worked like the Casablancas inside the house do, where, you know, pull the chain once for the light and fan, once for the light, once for the fan, without the light, and then once for off. And then it was variable speed, but that's apparently not the case. So, because it's plugged in right now, but I'll show you it running. But between this and the SMC, I think it's a pretty good start over there in my new habitat. So, you know, the first time I was there, when I got the flooring for my bedroom, they had a plastic Emerson, not a friction drive, a designer. But I didn't get it. I wanted to get it, but I was with my mom, and we were moving in. It just wasn't going to happen. But anyway, that's gone now. I was hoping it was going to still be there, but it's not. But I got that, and then the SMC spinner today, and that was yesterday, that Verandah Deluxe. But it's a nice fan, and the blades were all yellowed and nasty, and they cleaned up nicely with some degreaser. But it's just really nice. Not bad for $10, certainly. But anyway, just showing you that. So, there you go.